Imagine waking up one day to find out your job has been replaced by a robot. Scary, right? But what if I told you it might not be as bad as it sounds? Hello, Future Sight family. Today we're diving into one of the hottest debates of our time. Are robots coming for your job? More importantly, how can you stay ahead of the curve and thrive in this fast-changing world? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know not only what to expect, but also how to turn the rise of robots into your greatest opportunity. Remember when vending machines started replacing soda vendors? It was small, but it was just the beginning. Fast forward to today, and we've got self-checkout counters, autonomous delivery drones, and AI that can write poems. Automation is no longer science fiction. It's happening right now. Studies predict that up to 30% of jobs could be automated by 2030. But here's the catch. Robots aren't taking over jobs indiscriminately. They're mostly replacing tasks that are repetitive and predictable. But don't panic. Think about it this way. While machines are great at crunching numbers, they can't replicate creativity, empathy, or critical thinking. And guess what? Those are the superpowers that make us humans irreplaceable. Imagine walking into a coffee shop and instead of a barista with a warm smile, a robotic arm hands you your latte. Efficient? Sure. But where's the human touch? Jobs in manufacturing, retail, and even some aspects of transportation are at risk of automation. If your job involves routine, repetitive tasks, it's time to pay attention. But here's the good news. While some doors may close, new ones are opening. We're seeing a surge in demand for tech-savvy roles, creative industries, and jobs that involve deep human connection, like therapy, education, and caregiving. So, while some jobs are evolving, others are being born. Meet Carlos, a delivery driver who was worried about losing his job to drones. Instead of giving up, he learned coding online and now works as a logistics analyst, planning the very routes those drones take. The future of work is not about competing with robots, it's about collaborating with them. The key is upskilling. Here are the top skills to focus on. Tech literacy. Learn how to use and manage emerging tools. Problem solving. Robots can calculate, but they can't innovate. Emotional intelligence. In a world full of machines, being human is your secret weapon. And the best part? Many of these skills are accessible through free or affordable resources online. Think of change like a wave. You can either let it crash over you or you can learn to surf. A little scary, but exhilarating too, right? Adapting isn't just about learning new skills. It's about embracing a growth mindset. The people who thrive in the future will be those who see challenges as opportunities. Take a moment to think about the last big change in your life. Did it lead to growth? Did you learn something new? The future of work will be full of these moments. Stay curious, stay open, and stay fearless. Imagine a world where robots handle the boring stuff, like cleaning or data entry, while we focus on what we love, like creating, connecting, and exploring. Robots aren't here to replace us, they're here to enhance us. They can take over mundane tasks, giving us more time to focus on our passions and purpose. Think of robots as tools, not threats. Just like the internet revolutionized how we work, automation is creating opportunities we can't even imagine yet. It's up to us to embrace this shift and lead the way. So, are robots coming for your job? Maybe, but here's the truth. They can't replace your unique skills, creativity, or drive to grow. This is your time to prepare, upskill, and future-proof yourself. Start today. What's one skill you've always wanted to learn? Share it in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Check out our other videos for more insights on building the future you deserve. Remember, the future isn't something that happens to you. It's something you create.